back to my channel. I am really excited for today's video because it is going to be another unboxing video. I do quite a few unboxing videos on my channel, and lately I've been dabbling with fitness subscription boxes of all kinds. So if you couldn't tell from the title, today's video is going to be a Yoga Club box unboxing. This is actually my first Yoga Club unboxing. I haven't even opened this. I just got home and saw this on my doorstep, so I'm going to be opening it for the first time with you guys. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about the Yoga Club box and see what I got in my box, then just keep watching. So like I said in the introduction, I've been dabbling with a couple different fitness subscription boxes. I was subscribed to Muscle Me for a while. If you guys are interested in catching any of my previous unboxing videos, I'll leave a link for it down below. But I just wasn't all that impressed with Muscle Me. Then recently I've been subscribed to Barbella for a few months, and I was really impressed with last month's box, but that was the only box that I really was interested in. And then for the Barbella box, they usually shoot out teasers so you can see what's in the next box, and you can choose to skip it. So I skipped this month of Barbella box so that I could try another fitness box, and I've recently also been getting into yoga. So I thought it'd be really fun to try the Yoga Club box. Basically, this is like a style box, if you will, but for yoga. So the way that this works is that you log on to their website, which I'll leave a link down below for you guys, and you take a style quiz. The questions in the style quiz were like, do you like loose fitting clothes? How do you like your leggings? Do you like shorts? Do you like capris? And just things like that. What colors do you like? Do you like prints? Do you like neutrals, etc.? So then once you do the style quiz, basically a box is handcrafted for you. It reminds me kind of like what the idea of Stitch Fix is, but again, it's yoga clothing. Every box delivers a retail value of somewhere in the range of $100 to $160. They do have a couple of different options, which I'm going to read right from their website. There's a $45 option, a $69 option, a $79 option, or an $89 option. Like I said, this is my first time being subscribed to the box, and for some reason I find the website a little bit hard to navigate. So I know for the $45 price point, I believe you get just a pair of bottoms. For the $69, you get a bottom and a top. For the $79, which is what I'm subscribed to, it's called like the Guru, and you get a bottom, top, and a layering piece. I don't know what the $89 value one is. I can't seem to pull that up, and I can't seem to figure it out. I will try and get more info for you guys if I do decide to stay subscribed to the box. I can try and leave a pinned comment, but it does also look like if you are unhappy with some of the items in your box, you can do an exchange or you can ask for trades. I'm not a whole heck of a lot certain about any more than the fact that I paid $79 for my box and I should have 3 pieces in here. If you guys do have any questions though, please leave them for me in the comments below and I will try to search and find an answer for you. Other than that, let's jump into the box. Like I said, this will be my first time opening it with you guys right on camera, and this is what it looks like. It came to me shipped like this. This is what it opens up to. And I'm really nervous kind of to see what it is, just because it is more of an investment, being $79. I definitely don't think I'm going to do it every single month. But I love me a good pair of leggings. Pretty much when I'm not at work, I live in just like t-shirts and like Lulu leggings, or I really like Athleta leggings. I just really like expensive leggings pretty much. So I know there's like some cute Free People layering pieces that I've seen in some of like the Instagram or like other boxes, but alright. Looking down, I'm not sure I'm that excited. This is what I'm seeing so far, and I'm not that into grays, to be honest. But let's see what we got here. Okay, so it says, welcome to the tribe. Yoga Club is your personal stylist for the yoga-inspired life. Delivering high-quality, brand-name yoga apparel at an affordable price, we are committed to empowering women to be active, confident, and mindful in everything that they take on, from yoga classes to traveling the world. And then it shows you on the back, it looks like you can also earn Lotus Bucks for every box you receive and friend you refer. Sharing is caring, your vibe attracts your tribe, so like you can share your posts on Instagram, etc., etc. Okay, let's jump into this. Okay, so first and foremost, let's see what the top looks like. So this is the top, and honestly, it's just a plain gray tank. Cool. It is by the brand Alternative, and it retails for $34. I mean, it's cute that it's just like a nice flowy tank, but that's not that exciting. Okay, so that's that. I'll try and take a picture of myself, you guys, too, in like the full outfit, and post it somewhere in this video. I literally just spilled coffee on the rest of this box. Things are going really well. Alright, so I just spilled coffee on this piece, but this is a cute little sports bra. It's tie-dye. Looks like this in the back. It has some cute crisscross detailing. It does feel like it's just kind of like cotton, and it's pretty stretchy. Honestly, I prefer like a more compressed sports bra. Maybe I need to retake my style quiz. This is from the brand Viva. This is from the brand Electric Rose, which I actually have heard of that brand, and it technically retails for $84, which I think is ridiculous, kind of, if I'm being honest, for what this feels like. I mean, it feels like good quality, but it also just feels like a cotton spandexy sports bra. And there's like no pads in this. It doesn't feel that compressed, so cool. And then finally, you guys, I'm really disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. So these are the leggings. They're just a gray legging, as you can see right here. They are from the brand Formula 101, and they retail for $74. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like the feel of the material of these. It says 4-way stretch, moisture management, pre-shrunk, superior form fitting, soft cotton-like feel. And they definitely do have like a cotton-like feel, which I don't necessarily love. And like, I hate this color of gray. I'm super disappointed in my box. It says these are 88% polyester and 12% spandex. So I'm gonna quickly insert a picture of me in the workout outfit. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here really quick. This is a different day completely that I filmed this video. I did not end up taking a picture of myself in my yoga outfit because after filming this video, I went online to see what the exchange situation is like, and it's actually really easy to exchange items. Basically, you just log on, you select the items that you didn't like out of your box, which for me was all 3 of them, and you let them know why you didn't like them so that they can style your box better for the next month. And then they give you like a huge variety of other items you can select to exchange them out. They have 3 different ways that you can exchange. You can either have the items shipped with your next box, as well as a return bag that you then just have to pay $7 to like have it basically returned. You can have it shipped to you like quickly, and it's like $14 or $15 extra, or you can pay for your own shipping, like whatever that may be, and you can ship it right away, and then they'll ship the items again with your next box. So I thought that was really interesting, and I like that they offer that exchange policy, because otherwise, I'm not lying, I probably never would have worn my outfit. I did end up trying it on, and I just like, ugh, I hated the way everything looked on me. I hated it. So I'm gonna jump back into my final like wrap up of this video, but I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that the exchange process is really easy. No, I was not impressed with this box at all, and I'm hoping the next month's box is better. If not, I'm definitely not gonna stay subscribed, but I thought it was important to include that exchange information. So I hope that helps you guys. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. And now let's jump into the rest of my outro. That was really awkward. Okay, so it probably comes as no shock to you guys that I'm really disappointed in YogaBox. I am going to try and stay subscribed for 1 more month just to see if maybe it was like a mishap. I may try and go on and redo the style quiz because I just feel like that was a total bust. I didn't like the way that the gray is paired together. I feel like the color of like the gray leggings specifically is like that old like gym short or just like gym crew sweatshirt type of gray, and it just like makes people look frumpy. In my opinion, I'm just really not a fan of that type of gray. So I wasn't really impressed with any of the pieces in this box. I wasn't impressed with this box at all, really. You guys will definitely have to let me know in the comment box below if you've ever subscribed to the Yoga Club box, and if you've had a good experience. Have you gotten things that you like, or would you say like, no girl, like stay away, don't even stay subscribed 1 more month? But super disappointing. I hope that you guys appreciated this very honest review. I feel like kind of bad being so brutal about it, but like, I don't know who styled this box, but after that, you guys, that is going to conclude my Yoga Club box unboxing. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you go. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.